Hello, good morning friends. In this video we will learn why compressor terminal burning. This is Blue Star cassette AC 3-phase outdoor. Here the compressor tripping after some time and terminal burning. There is no any loose connection. The main reason is that the expansion valve and condenser coil choke up, so that compressor overheating and taking high amps due to terminal burning. After flushing unit working normal, if you know more about this problem, please put your answer in the comment box. Bye bye and take care. Keep learning and keep support.